Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to go ahead and start working with numeric data on our spreadsheet. So in the previous video, we went ahead and added created our budget here. We have our title, we have our different columns. So our columns are bills, the month of January, the month of February, the month of March, and I also added this one called total in between videos. And then we also have our different information that we're going to be working with here within our column A. So for our bills, we have mortgage, we have food, we have entertainment, and dog food / toys. So now what we need to do is we need to add the different amounts for the different months. So what we need to do is we have to come over and start filling this out. So let's come over to mortgage first, and we'll just put in a random number. So let's put in 1,200. Now let's hit enter. Now we need to enter in our food for the month of January. So we can just put 700, enter, entertainment, say 100, dog food, we can say 70, dog food and toys, we'll put 75. And now, if we come over here, we can go ahead and start filling in the month of February. So we're just going to do same thing, 1,200 for this. Food, we'll just change it slightly. We'll do 650. Entertainment, we'll do 80. And then dog food / toys, we'll do 50. And we'll do the same thing over here for March. We'll do 1,800. This can be 600. Entertainment, we'll do 90. And then dog food / toys would do 50 again. So what I want you all to do, if you missed the previous videos, go ahead and get your title created for whatever the spreadsheet that you're trying to create. So mine is just a budget. And we have our different columns. So go ahead and create your different columns. You can create as many as you want. So right now I have 5. I have A through E. And then I went ahead and added in all of the information for the various columns. What I'm going to do for total is we're going to go ahead and use formulas for that. But that's out of scope for this video, so check for that video soon. But yeah, once you guys get to this point, then you can go ahead and continue on in the next video in the fundamental series.